Last year, Samsung released the Galaxy S8 with its standout borderless infinity display, giving you more screen in less space, quickly becoming an industry standard. This year, we get a few tweaks to that design, bringing the whole device full circle. This is Samsung's new flagship, the Galaxy S9.
Now yes, the exterior looks like an S8, and that's a good thing. The S8 was one of the best looking smartphones to be released last year. This year we have 3 colors to pick from, with the inclusion of the new lilac purple. We get the standard 2 screen sizes, the 5.8-inch S9 and the 6.2-inch S9 Plus, welcoming back the much loved infinity display. Of course, this year we get a new processor. The S9 is fitted with the new Exynos 9810. Built in-house by Samsung, and it's blazing fast. We also tried playing some graphically intense 3D games, and it was smooth as well. So the GPU is also top-notch, just as you would expect from a 2018 flagship. Now, the battery sizes have stayed the same as the S8 series, but the new 9810 is more power efficient, so this should result in a small bump in overall battery life. These phones still have glass backs, still have wireless charging, still IP68 water resistant, still have expandable storage, and yes, still has the headphone jack, thank God. So what has changed? Well, most obviously is the fingerprint sensor has been moved to under the camera, which is really the only negative feedback the S8 got last year. This spot is a lot more intuitive, especially on the smaller 5.8-inch model. Another new addition is the S9 now has stereo audio tuned by AKG, using the down-facing speaker along with the earpiece. It definitely sounds louder than the S8. And it also has Dolby Atmos surround built in, but it's turned off by default. So if this is a feature you want, just make sure you activate it in the settings. Something cool is you can now hold down the Bixby button for voice commands that aren't available with the standard Google Assistant. You can ask Bixby to install an app for you, or show you all the photos you took the day before.
Sure, here are 219 pictures.
These are handy upgrades. The S8 gave us an amazing display, and now Samsung have gone back and refined the audio, the placement of the biometrics, and of course the standout feature, the new camera, making this handset the complete package. The new camera both on the S9 and S9 Plus is capable of 960 FPS slow motion. It's also the first mobile camera to have a variable aperture, making it perfect for snapping shots during the day or at night. But if you do decide to go with the S9 Plus, you also get a telephoto lens, similar to the one we saw on the Note 8. No matter which model you go with, photos come out stunning, and the video capabilities are amazing. If you want to see a more in-depth look at the new camera, click the link on the screen. I'm Eli from PB Tech. Remember to like, subscribe. I'll catch you next time.